Cards. What's that first one?
Ball.
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 Is that a ball? Yeah.
Yeah, ball.
Okay. What's this?
Balloon.
Balloon. How about that? What is it?
Apple.
Apple. How about this?
Meow.
What says meow?
Meow.
Cat.
Cat.
What's that?
House.
Good. What's that?
Fly.
Flower. It's a leaf.
Meat.
Okay. What's that?
Finger.
Fingers. Hand.
Hand.
What's that?
Hand.
TV.
TV.
You don't know what that is. What's that?
Pea.
Plane. What's that?
Car.
No. What is it? Truck. Okay. What's that?
Tree.
Tree. What's that?
Bear.
Bear. What's that?
Ring.
Swing.
Apple.
What?
Guy.
Star.
Star.
What's that?
Sun.
Sun. What's that?
Ring.
Not a swing. Slide.
Sky.
What's that?
Car.
What's that?
King.
Crayon. Close. It's a pencil.
Person.
Good girl. What's that?
Box.
A box. What's that?
Ball.
Ball. Baseball glove. What's that? What?
Ah!
No, what is it?
Ball.
What's that?
Moon.
Moon. Good girl.
Fish.
Pear.
Pear.
What's that?
Fish.
Feet. What's that?
Frog.
Frog. Yeah. What's that?
Fire.
Flower. What's that?
Cup.
Good girl. What's that?
Kim.
What's that?
Kim.
Dog.
Dog.
What's that?
Kim.
What's that?
Kim. 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 Wow.
What is that?
Chair.
Chair. Okay. What's that?
Cooker.
Cookies. What's that?
Cow.
Cow. Good girl. What about that?
Dog.
A quack quack.
Dog.
But what is it?
Dog.
What animal says quack quack?
Dog.
A duck?
Dog.
Okay. What's that?
Tea.
Cake. What's that?
Butt.
Good girl. What's that? Something you go night-night with. What is that?
Baking.
A blanket. What's that?
Box.
Blocks. What's that?
Bow.
Boat. That's a tough one. I don't think you know that one. Bat.
Bat.
Good job. Yay, Delaney.
Bow.
Lots of words.
Bow.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.